Welcome to Module 10, PowerPoint 2019. This is part one of two parts. Let's see what's in the objectives for today. Define presentation software, plan an effective presentation, examine the PowerPoint window, enter slide text, add a new slide, format text, apply a design theme, compare presentation views, insert and resize a picture, checking spelling, of course, and print a PowerPoint presentation. All right, so presentation software is a computer program used to organize and present information. Presentation software allows you to communicate your ideas effectively. You can use PowerPoint to present information in on-screen presentation notes, audience handouts, slideshow broadcasts, and outline pages. With PowerPoint, you can enter and edit uh, text easily. You can change the appearance of information, organize and arrange the information, incorporate information from other sources, present information in a variety of ways, and collaborate with others on the presentation. Planning includes determining and outlining your message, identify your audience, and delivery location, determine the type of output, determine the design, and decide on additional materials needed. PowerPoint opens in a normal view, the default view. Okay, normal view is the primary view for writing, editing, and designing your presentation. You move around in each pane using the scroll bars. The ribbon organizes PowerPoint primary commands. Each set of primary commands is identified by a tab. Commands are further arranged into groups based on their function. You can quickly navigate through slides using thumbnails panes. The slide pane displays the current slide. The quick access toolbar provides immediate access to common commands such as save and undo. And then the status bar shows a message about what you are doing and seeing in your PowerPoint. PowerPoint opens in a normal view. The title slide has two text placeholders, a title placeholder and a subtitle text placeholder. A placeholder with text is a text object. An object is any item on the slide that can be modified. When you click inside a placeholder, the insertion point appears. A selected box with a dashed line, border, and sizing handles appears around the placeholder, indicating that it is selected and ready to accept text. All right, so here's one where we have you have the text selected within the slide, and here are your sizing handles. When you pull from a sizing handle, always use the corners. Never use the straight ones on the straight sides, because that's going to distort anything that you put inside of it. So just use the sizing handle from the corner, and everything will stay true. You have an insertion point, so everything is going to be centered. You'll type it in, and it will center itself upon this insertion point. Okay. And then you have subtitle text that's going to do the same thing. When you move into this, you're going to have it centered when you first start to punch it in, unless you want it to the right. Slide layout contains text and objects placeholders that are arranged in a specific way on the slide. So modify an existing slide layout or create a new custom slide layout. When you click the new slide button on the ribbon, a title and content placeholder slide appears. A content placeholder can be used to insert text or objects such as clip art, tables, or charts. To change a slide layout, click the layout button in the slides group. All right. So here they've started a new slide. You've went ahead and put in your title. And then down here in the section, this add text, you can not just add text, you can add graphs. If you could see in the very center here, it has a graph that you could put in, it has pictures that you could put in, it has spreadsheets that you can drop in. So you can put just about anything you want into this box, okay, and it will accept it. And the thumbnail that they're talking about is along the side of this window, and it'll allow you to see the thumbnail of this. It's highlighted here, so therefore this is the actual active slide that you're working on, okay? And you can select new tab, new slide from the ribbon, and they're pointing to this ribbon to show you that, okay? And it has a new slide button. All you have to do is click on that and it will show up just like this. Okay, so once the text is entered, you can format it with the fonts, colors, and sizes that you need. Formatting text allows you to make specific points to stand out and grab the audience attention. Use buttons on the mini toolbar to format selected text. All right, so if you right mouse click, you get your little mini text. This allows you to select things like centering the text that's inside of this this text box, okay? You can also do some, if you needed to keep, let's say, a certain format, you can use that paintbrush to highlight that and place it into the area that you want to change, okay? And also you can change the color, which is what they're doing here, all right? All right, so that's going to take us to the end of part one. We're going to go ahead and let you go, and we'll meet you back on part two. Thank you.